welcome to this video in which I will show you how to install a lamp on a DCL plug. These DCL plugs are compulsory in France since a couple of years for new houses or for renovations, and it's a little bit different from just a few wires coming out from the ceiling. Let's go! I'm just reminding before starting that it's very important to cut the electricity or the corresponding circuit, even if on these type of plugs it's a bit foreseen for that. It's not really needed, but it's always better to cut the power in the house. For cutting the electricity, the safest is to cut the general power, so that's on the safe side. You can only cut the corresponding circuit. So the first thing I'm doing is that I'm unplugging the bulb which is in place. So there's a little pin here. Just take it out like this. In reality, the socket contains the connector which we will be installing on the lamp. Just take it out. And you will see that it has similar connectors than the one which had been in place already. Next thing to do is to undo the holder here. So for this, we are removing this screw first. Then we push this up and it will free this little holder here. Now we have already prepared the lamp to install on the ceiling. You've already seen my video about how to prepare a lamp before placement. And you just put this socket on the wire. Now we can make the connections. So for connecting the wires of the lamp, you can see here that there is neutral, earth and line. So you just place the wires accordingly. So the line is classically with a brown. So the L here is for the line, so we take the brown wire. And then we take the blue for the neutral. Still have to place the holder, same approach than before. And then we close here. And then we close this screw here, which will hold the wire. Then we hang the lamp, and then just put the plug where it's foreseen. hope that it has been useful to you. If it's the case, please leave me a like or subscribe to the channel. And I find here that the light is really yellowish. I don't like it so much. And if you want to know more about bulbs for lamps or for recessed spotlights, don't hesitate to see my video about how to choose the right spotlights. So see you very soon on Happy Hour TV 1.